Alright. So I've been testing this motor. The big one, unfortunately, doesn't produce hardly anything. I maybe got a third of a volt from that big one. That big motor I got from vacuum. Quite disappointing. But this one, I swear, kid you not, I almost got 10 volts out of it. Yeah, I was surprised too. Now if I can find a way to, there we go. Alright. I'm going to run it against the desk. I'll run it against the desk. There we go. 9.28, 9.34, 10. Ha! Holy shit! Fuck! I saw 12. 10, 11. See if we can make it past that. Okay, that's good enough for now. 13 volts at the fastest speed. Ah, dude. Whew. Man. Tell you what, that would be a good generator if you get it going fast enough. Man, 13 volts. I have to review the video. What I was doing, I was taking it against the edge of the desk and just 13 volts. Alright, bye.